Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to do active English. Now, children, as you all know, this is revision week going on, and we are doing all the revision of all the chapters again and again. So, even this we are going to do. So, this is revision part 2. Now, children, you have to be ready with your book and pencil to write the answers. Now think that this is your test, as we all do activity after the video, right? Okay. Now I'm going to read the head question. Now children, while reading the head question, you have to be very careful because you're going to understand that in question what you have to do and what type of option you have to select, right? I'm going to read the question twice. I'm going to read the options twice, and later on I'm going to give you time so you can select your answer, and then after few seconds I'm going to tell you the answer so you can check whether your answers are correct or incorrect. Shall I start? Fine. Question number 1. Select the correct question using shall and or. You have to select the correct question using shall and or. Now see the first one. Go by train, go by bus. Go by train, go by bus. And the options are, shall we go by train or shall we go by bus? Shall we, and the other is, shall we go by bus? I'll repeat again. The first one, shall we go by train or shall we go by bus? And the other is, shall we go by bus? And your time starts now. You have to think for the correct answer. Very good. The correct answer is, shall we go by train or shall we go by bus? And the next, number 2. Go to the cinema, play football. Go to the cinema, play football. And the options are, shall we go to the cinema? Shall we play football? Other is, shall we go to the cinema or shall we play football? Shall we go to the cinema? Shall we play football? Second one, shall we go to the cinema or shall we play football? Your correct answer is first one. No, your correct answer is the second one. Shall we go to the cinema or shall we play football? I'll tick again. Now, why not the first one? I will tell you. Shall we go to the cinema or is missing in the sentence, in the question. So shall we go to the cinema? Shall we play football? So this is not the correct option because something is missing inside. Now we'll go on the next one. The third one. Do our homework, listen to the radio. Do our homework, listen to the radio. Now options are, shall we do our homework or shall we listen to the radio? And the other one is, shall we do our homework? Shall we do our homework or shall we listen to the radio? And the second one, shall we do our homework? Very good. The correct option is the first one. Shall we do our homework or shall we listen to the radio? Why not the second one? Because second one is incomplete. It is incomplete question. Next, go today, go tomorrow. Go today, go tomorrow. Options are, shall we go tomorrow? And the other one is, shall we go today or shall we go tomorrow? Shall we go tomorrow? Shall we go today or shall we go tomorrow? Very good. The correct answer is the second one. Shall we go today or shall we go tomorrow? Now this is question number 2. You have to read the heading, the head question. Select the correct sentence using like. Now you have to choose the correct sentence using like. Now see the first one, fish, and in the bracket swam. Now here you have to use the bracket, you have to make the sentence and you have to use like. Now here you don't have to make it, but you just have to choose it. Children, in the paper you don't have to write anything anywhere, you just have to select the correct option as you all do in your home assignment. And the options are, he swam like a fish, and the other is, fish is swimming. He swam like a fish, fish is swimming. Very good. The correct one is, he swam like a fish. Next. Now see the second one. Baby cried. Baby cried. And the options are, the baby cried, and the other one is, the little girl cried like a baby. The little girl cried like a baby. Very good. The correct answer is, the little girl cried like a baby. And the next, stone sank. Stone sank. And the options are, the stone sank. And the other is, the ship sank like a stone. The ship sank like a stone. Very good. And the correct sentence is the ship sank like a stone. I'm going to select it. Children, don't go ahead without selecting it. Okay. And the fourth one, monkeys climbed. Monkeys climbed. And the options are the monkeys climbed. The boys climbed like monkeys. The monkeys climbed. And the other one is the boys climbed like monkeys. Very good. And the correct one is the boys climbed like monkeys. And I'm going to take it. Now children, this is head question number 3. Select the correct answer. Now you just have to select the correct answer. So how you all are going to do? You have to read the question properly, so you can give the answer very quickly. Now I'll read it for you. See the first one. What we use to buy things. What we use to buy things. Plastic. And the other one is money. Plastic. Money. Very good. And the correct answer is money. When you go out, you need money, right? So I'm going to take it. When you want to buy something, you need money. And the next is second one. It comes after 6. Children, this is very easy. You can do very quickly. It comes after 6. And the options are 5, 7. 5, 7. It is very easy, but still I am going to give you time. Very good. What comes after 6? 7. And the correct answer is 7. Question number 3. Opposite of same. Now, what is the opposite of same? Like, different. Like, different. Very good. The opposite of same is different. Easy, right? And the next is, see the fourth one, a person who paints. A person who paints. And the options are painter, driver. Painter, driver. Very good. And the correct one is painter. A person who paints is called painter. And the next, see the fifth one. A car has four of them. A car has four of them. Brakes, wheels. Brakes, wheels. Very good. Wheels. This is the correct option. Wheels. A car has four wheels. And sixth one, the sound that horses make. The sound that horses make. And the options are knees, grunts. Knees, grunts. Very good. And the correct option is the first one, knees. And the seventh one, the day before today. The day before today. And the options are yesterday, tomorrow. Yesterday, tomorrow. Very good. And the correct option is yesterday. The day before today is yesterday. Now, children, what you have to do? You have to revise this video again and again. If you can do a writing part in your rough book, that is very good, or else you can take your own test again. Okay, and what you have to do, yes, I told you to revise this video again and again for your exam. So what will happen? Yes, your exam will go very easily and you are able to attempt all the questions. And children, you have to do the best. So, best of luck. Thank you.